Hi there everyone, it's Todd here, and if you're having some issues with audio, I had the same issue with choppiness. Work, but it would just sort of, around a bit and not sound too great. And in order to, reset the Bluetooth module on your Mac, you're gonna go to the menu bar, and just make sure devices are connected. Try the usual repair, but ultimately we're gonna press Shift, Option, and then click on the menu bar icon, and we're going to go down here to reset the Bluetooth module. Now, this does disconnect all your devices, but it doesn't forget them, so they reconnect a few seconds after. It's one thing to be wary about when you're using a Magic Keyboard and a Magic Trackpad, and your laptop's, and closed up. You will be able to control it in a few seconds after reconnection occurs. Now, the other thing to take a note of as well is to make sure that your, example for my Sony's, make sure that the device is up to date firmware-wise, so connect your phone or use a tool to update it. This is a late 2013 Mac, so it is fairly old, so that could be playing a factor in this as well. It just saves having to go through and factory reset your whole try and replace an individual module as your Bluetooth module. So I hope this helps someone. Helped me. Don't forget to thumb the video up, subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.